Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. And again, thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join us. And if you are returning, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. As you can see from the description, this is for the December 2018 Shore Scents. And I love the subscription, you guys. This was very kindly sent to me last month and again this month to share with you guys. And it is a wonderful subscription. It is candles, you guys. I just love candles, and especially this time of year, the scents are always so amazing. So a little bit about this is you receive a curated package every month with the Shore Scents hand-poured candles or candle accessories and other goodies selected just for you. They are hand-poured in small batches, and let's see. In addition to 2 hand-poured candles each month, subscribers may receive exclusive scents for subscribers only, candle accessories, special access to subscriber-only events and sales. It is $30 a month, including shipping. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up. If you like candles, I definitely recommend it. This is an amazing subscription. So we are going to go ahead, actually before we do that, because this came in like a USPS box, and on top was this really cute card. So I wanted to take a look at it. And it says, "Merry Christmas, wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Shore Scents." So how cute is that, y'all? And let's see, on the back, it does tell us for December here, the retail value of all of the candles. And let's see, okay, it says, oh, this is so sweet. Okay, it says, "We love to send cards to our family and friends this time of the year. So we've included a few cards so that you can send some too." You guys, how sweet is that? So they have put some cards with the envelopes here. Let's see. This one says, "Eat, drink, and be merry." It is blank inside, so you can write what you would like. And then this one, oh, I like this one. It says, "May the miracle of Christmas fill your heart with joy." It is also blank on the inside, so you can write whatever you would like. That is so nice. Oh, I like little touches like that. You guys know how I am about personal or attention to detail, personal touches and things. So let's go ahead and open. And then this is what it looks like when we open it. They do always wrap everything so well in bubble wrap. And it looks like this month we have 2 larger candles and a smaller candle right here. So let's start with the first one. It's Christmas. Let's see. Y'all, oh my goodness. Okay, I smell a little bit of like maybe pine or something, like a Christmas tree. Oh, it smells so good. But then it's like I smell sweetness. It literally smells like Christmas. Like if you take all of the scents of Christmas and combine them, that's what this smells like. All right, let's see what they say. If the holidays had a smell, we think they'd smell just like our Christmas candle. Exactly. The fragrance is infused with natural essential oils, including patchouli, cedarwood, fir needle, and spearmint. Oh, it does. It smells so... It smells so good. It literally does smell like Christmas in a jar. It is amazing. And it has a retail value of $12. Oh, I can tell just from the name. Gingerbread. They never disappoint. Oh my goodness. Okay. I could be here all day smelling candles. Let's see. Our gingerbread candle combines warm vanilla and spices for a homemade, fresh from the oven gingerbread scent. This fragrance is infused with natural essential oils, including cinnamon leaf. The retail value is also $12. You guys, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then we do have one more, and it is winter berry. This one is a little bit smaller. This month we've included a subscriber exclusive scent as a special thank you to all of our subscribers. Our winter berry candle is a burst of cinnamon blended with fresh berries and hints of orange, anise, and clove. This is a retail value of $7. That smells so good. I can definitely smell the cinnamon and berry. Oh, you guys, all three of these smell so amazing, but I would probably have to say that the Christmas is my favorite because it literally does, like their description, it smells just like Christmas and the holidays. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. And we got 2 adorable holiday cards to send out. Oh, I can't believe it. I love this subscription. It is so amazing. Their candles are wonderful. The November candles that I had, I mean, they last, and the smell just like takes over the room. Not like in an overpowering way, just in a, you do smell, it fills the room with just that warm, comforting smell. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will make sure to put a link for Sure Scents down below if you would like to sign up. It does make a wonderful gift if you know someone that loves candles and you are still trying to figure out what to get them for Christmas. Here you go. Can't beat it. So again, all the information will be down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.